the passenger laundrette on deck 10, kind of between mid and forward on the Carnival Magic. You come inside here, and there is a washer, a couple dryers, another washer, a couple dryers. There is a soap dispenser here and dryer sheets, and they are $1.50 each. And you can just put in your sale and sign card to purchase those. There is a ironing board, an iron that pops down in here. And there is a change machine as well right here. A little sink. And there you go. It's pretty small. On the Dream Class ships, the laundry rooms are kind of small, but they do the trick. There's the phone right there. Here is a little thing. It's laundry room controller instructions here. Tells you how to load the machine and select the cycle. Close the door. You put in your machine number and the keypad. Press the enter key. Insert and remove your sale and sign card and press enter key to confirm. So that's how you work the washing machines. And there you go. This is a little laundrette on deck 10, the Lido deck on the Carnival Magic. Okay, I am going to do a load of laundry here, which I've never done on a cruise ship before. So I don't believe in doing laundry on vacation. I've never have, but our son Matthew decided to jump in the jacuzzi with some friends here and get all wet, his clothes, shoes, everything. So I am going to do a load of laundry, and so let's get started here. Okay, so we're going to put in our washer number. I already put everything in the washer. And then you insert your sale and sign card here and remove the card. Oops, let's try it again. Let's try it again. Okay. Press enter to start washer 6. It's activating. So there you go. Everything is in this washer here and it is going. So I will come back in a lot and put everything in the dryer.